Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today. Today we're gonna do roast fish with stuffed Calaloo. And guys, thank you to subscribe to my YouTube page and please share and like the video. And if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, guys, please press that red button and please subscribe and please share and like the video. So we're gonna do today roast fish with stuffed Calaloo. So we're gonna roast the fish and the barbecue grill outside. So guys, this is what we're gonna use today. We have some fish over here. We have 3 fish. We ain't gonna use this big one, so we're gonna do a video with that big one and fry it and let you guys see it. So we have 3 nice size red snapper that we're gonna roast today, and we have a bowl of Calaloo. So this Calaloo, they put it in the fridge to freeze it. So I take it out now. We have 1 white chopped onion. We have 5 cloves of grated garlic. We have some thyme. We have some spring onion, all-purpose, black pepper, chili pepper, and cat noodle. Hi guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna steam the Calaloo. So I have 1 white chopped onion. Just gonna put it there in the pot. So 1 white chopped onion. 5 cloves of grated garlic, 1 stalk of spring onion, 1/2 of chili pepper, 'Have some thyme here, put in some thyme, not a lot of thyme. Guys, I'm gonna put in my Calaloo now. So guys, I just put in the Calaloo. What I'm gonna do is put in 1/4 of a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I know I put in the chili pepper already, but I'm gonna put in a little touch of black pepper. Then I'm gonna put in 1/2 pack of cat noodle. All of this is the stuffing for the fish. So I'm just gonna put on the lid on that, give it around 10 minutes to steam. Guys, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna season up this fish. So we're just gonna put a little bit of all-purpose season. So I make some slice in the fish because I want the season to go right down inside of the meat of the fish, to the season to soak so you can marinate properly. So what I'm gonna do now is season up this fish. Put some all-purpose in between and over. So the next one, put a little bit of all-purpose. And I have a little bit of jerk season left over. What I used to do a jerk, so I'm just gonna roll up the jerk season of the onion, the garlic, and the chili pepper, and the thyme, and the scallion. Everything is in it. We're just gonna rub it all over. So So the jerk season, put some right down inside of the side of the fish, middle of the fish, so get it all in. So to season up this fish properly. And what we're gonna do now is the next one as well. We're gonna season up it right from the head to right to the tail. So put the season right in. Go make some slice. So when this fish finish seasoning up, we're gonna marinate it for around half an hour. So rub the seasoning all over it. Look at that, guys. Inside. So this fish is all the jerk seasoning and everything seasoned right to the max. Hi guys, I'm back. The Calaloo, I just finished steaming the Calaloo and the fish was marinated for around 5 to 5 minutes. So now what I'm just going to do is stuffing. I'm going to stuff the fish with some steamed Calaloo. So this is number one. Just gonna get some Calaloo and stuff right inside of the fish. So the Calaloo already steamed and seasoned up with a lot of spice. So that's number one out of the way. There's number two. So we're just gonna stuff it from head right down in it. I put a little bit too much in that one, but it's okay. I want to get all of that Calaloo inside of it. There's number three. So 3 fish, we're gonna roast on the grill outside with Calaloo. So roast fish today on the menu with Calaloo stuffing. And that guy. So now I'm just gonna get my grill. Put one fish in. Next one in. And I'm gonna close it like that. So it's 3 fish on the grill. So if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe as it, please hit that big red button. Please hit the notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. So guys, I'm outside, so now I'm just gonna put the fish on the grill. So that is 3 red snapper. 3 red snapper on the grill with steamed cabbage inside. I'm just gonna put a little bit of butter on the top of the fish just to keep it nice and mild. I don't want it too dry. Just put a little bit of butter there. So guys, now all to do is very easy. You just get the fish, slice it up, prepare your season, then you season it, leave it off for an hour to marinate. It's up to you if you want to marinate it from overnight. It's up to you, but I marinate this one for half an hour because I did have some jerk season leave over. So I'm gonna do the next side. Close that down. I just want to give it around 5 minutes and then I turn it again. So guys, I give that one 5 minutes on that side. So now I'm just going to spin it around, and please put on a safety heat gloves on your hand. So guys, don't put your hand on this fish grill, it will burn you, trust me. So hold it like that, hold it and just turn it right over. Oh, look at that crispy brown color we're looking for. Look at that, people. I just love the smell of a charcoal. People, please subscribe, please share and like, and please hit the notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. So this is grilled fish with stuffed steamed Calaloo. Look at my people. So I just give that 5 minutes. I'm gonna give that another 5 minutes on the next side, and then I spin it over. Yes, people, that's my stuffed roast fish. My apology, I said grilled fish a while ago, but grilled fish, roast fish, anything, it's the same fish. So, oh my God, the flavor is coming out of that, people. You want to smell it. I'm just gonna pick a tomato from my garden. Just gonna pick one tomato. Just gonna wash it off, and just gonna put it on the grill. Car, you guys, I love roast tomato. I don't know if you guys tried it as yet, but please do. Give it a beautiful, sweet, sour taste. Have another one. So there's another 2 tomatoes there. I just pick from the garden. Just put on the grill. So guys, I do a video of my garden already, my tomatoes then. So please check it out. Guys, I think I'm gonna give this another 2 minutes. And this is my roast fish with stuffed Calaloo. Look at that, people, nice and crispy and brown. That's what we're looking for. I have my tomato there roasting. Roast tomato, roast fish. So guys, I have a little green banana, so I'm gonna eat it with some green banana and sweet potato. I didn't show you that video. I'm gonna make another video and show you guys how I prepare green banana with sweet potato. Please subscribe, please share and like, and please make a comment. And if you're watching my video, guys, and you don't subscribe, please hit that red button. It's free to subscribe. Please join the family. We're growing this YouTube cook show. I'm still learning a lot of things about YouTube, so please subscribe and please share and like, and please make a comment. I have a lot more idea, I have a lot more recipe coming out, so please hit that notification bell and please share and like the video. And thank you guys, I reached 807 subscribers. I really appreciate that a lot. And thank you very much, my YouTube family. Guys, this is all finished. This is my roast fish with stuffed Calaloo, steamed Calaloo. So this is my roast fish, guys. Look at it. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste that. Guys, if I don't have roast fish before, please check it out. Please watch my video, guys, and roast a fish if you want, but this is my way to roast fish. And please subscribe, please share and like, and please make a comment. Guys, this is all finished. This is my roast fish with stuffed steamed Calaloo. Look at people. Sure, I have 3 red snapper. So if you're watching my video, people, and you don't subscribe, please hit that big red button and please subscribe and please share and like the video. It's free to subscribe, no charge. Join the family, people, because we're growing together. Please subscribe and please share and like.